Installing a power distribution board. This procedure should only be performed by a trained technician. Make sure 2 processor boards are installed in the tray. Install the bus bar connector module on the tray rear bezel. Fasten the 3 screws on the rear tray bezel. Take the cables labeled PWR and connect them to the power pad marked PWR. Fasten the 4 PH1 screws to secure the cables to the PIB. Take the cables labeled GND and connect them to the ground pad marked GND. Fasten the 4 PH1 screws to secure the cables to the PIB. Make sure the PDB tray handles are in the unlocked position. Align the power connectors on the PDB tray with the power connectors on the processor boards. Install the PDB tray into the server tray until the power connectors are connected. Push both PDB tray handles to the locked position at the same time. Fasten the 3 captive screws to install the PDB tray in the server tray. Fasten the 2 PH1 screws from the outside of the tray. Install the rear cross brace, and then fasten the Phillips No. 1 screws to secure it. Install the tray cover.